What's going on, guys? It's me again. Today we're going to be playing some Don't Press the Button, so let's get started. Yeah, so oh my gosh. That one was pretty easy for me. I want to be on that one. I want to do that like bro. Wait. Did I?
Right.
What? Okay. So as I was saying, I really like this game, and I've been playing it even when I didn't even start my YouTube channel. You guys have to like and subscribe because of you guys have to like and subscribe because I got flipped away by the tornado. You have to like and subscribe for that. Yeah, you stay right there, tornado. You stay right there. Stay right there. Exactly. Skeletons. Okay. 24 has to be dead. Who will be dead first? The zombies or the skeletons? Let's find out. Skeletons have to die. We hate the skeletons. Oh. Okay. Now the zombies have to die. Oh, now the skeletons have to. Just a few more skeletons. Just 25 zombies got defeated first. Okay, what's... Oh, a speed potion. That's cool. Let me drink it. Here's some logic. Bruh. Okay. Time to spawn. Click the button. Okay. Let me play this in first person. Hey. Wait, what's in that? What the heck? Bro, there's teeth in there. What are we supposed to do? Okay, so we have to spam the button quick then. Click. Let's see what the results are. 184 times! Dang! Oh. Oh dang. Oh shoot. Poor, you'll never catch me. They're never catching me. They'll never take me alive. Oh shoot. Bro. I'm a zombie now. The survivors win. Okay. Bro. Let me just... Oh my god, that feels so much better. Bro, my neck. That literally feels so much better. Like, I wish I knew how to turn face camera on in this recorder. It's Wii recorder, by the way. It's a pretty good screen recorder. It's pretty good. Look at this. Look at like that. Okay, let's do 2 more rounds of don't press the button and then I'll end the video there. Okay. Made it. That's made it. Shoot. Bro, I need to go back. Okay, it's gonna end now. Oh. Oh, so they come that way. Oh shoot. Okay. After we're done with this one, I'll end the video soon. No, don't take it. Ninja. I know martial arts. Ooh. Big man. I never said that. Okay. Don't Hey, yo, bro, put on a shirt. No one wants to see that. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Please like, subscribe, and comment some ideas I should do next. Please subscribe, it really helps me, and see you guys later.